All right, welcome back. We've got 2 problems left, and then we're going to call it a day. The only difference is that on all the other ones, we skipped the step 2 because we didn't have to, of cleaning up each side separately. Okay, so these last 2 questions are going to have that in the problem. So we should have 2 items on each side of our equation. Right now, our left side obviously does not have 2 items. So this is the side that we need to clean up first. And you guys are good at this. We just have to put together what looks the same. So we're going to put together our 7x's and our 2x's. Now, I am not switching the side on this equation. So I don't have to switch the sign. I am literally just taking 7x's and I'm adding 2x's. So that gives me 9x's. Bring down my -4. Okay, now when I want the x's to go to the left side and the constants to go to the right side, now is when I'm going to start switching sides, so I'm going to have to switch the signs. I want the 3x to go to the left side, so I'm going to switch that sign to a -3x, which is going to give me 6x's. Bring everything else down. And here we go. We're back at what you guys are comfortable with. We have a 2-step equation. My happy couple, I'm going to switch the side, switch the sign of that 4. So I have 6x equals 2. And last step is to divide by that coefficient, which I do not want you guys to put this as a decimal because it's a repeating decimal. Instead, let's leave it as a fraction. However, 2/6 is not the best way to write that fraction. It's much better to simplify it and to get an answer of 1/3. I'd prefer you not write it as 0.3 repeating, and definitely not as 0.3 because that's not a correct answer. All right, last question. Go ahead and pause this and try this one on your own. It's got that extra cleanup step that the other ones did not have. Okay, let's see how you guys did. Okay, so the left side again is the side that we have to clean up because it has 3 terms. So the 8m and the -2m are our like terms. So let's put those together and that should give us 6m. Bring down the -3, bring down everything else. And I'm going to add in my Ninja one just so I don't get confused there. Gonna get rid of my picture here for a little bit. All right, now I want my m's on the left and I want my constants on the right. So switch the side, switch the sign. You've only heard me say that like 20 times already. That's going to give us 7m's. Bring down your -3 and bring down your 4. All right, here's our 2-step. Happy couple, switch the side, switch the sign. There it is again. So we have 7m equals 7. And last step is to divide by 7 to get an answer of 1. Hopefully you guys did okay with that on your own. Go ahead and glue in your notes. We are going to be practicing with this a lot more next week. This was kind of just your introduction, but these problems can get a little bit trickier. So that's what we're going to talk about on Monday. So go ahead and glue in these notes, and then you guys have a worksheet to do for homework. Hopefully you have enough time in class. All right, have a great weekend, everybody. Hope to see everyone Monday.